Hi, I'm Vicki Schipper, an Associate Lecturer in the Open University Law School. Students often ask what are the differences between study at Level 1 and Level 2 law. One of the key differences is how you show your knowledge. So Level 1 is all about describing the law, showing you've been able to understand it, and perhaps answering questions related to it. Stage 2 is about extending this knowledge. So you're going to be asked to do things like evaluate, analyse, evidence, critique. These types of words are skills that you need to be able to demonstrate. So how do you go about acquiring these skills? What sort of things can you focus on to make you better at this? I like to refer to the 3 R's. I call them resources, reading and referencing. So resources are all about thinking about what you're using to support and evidence your answers. So are you using good, reliable legal academic journals? Are you looking back at primary, statute and case law to make sure that you have understood it rather than just relying on what the textbook has said about it? In terms of reading, the second R. So don't just read to understand. Read with a critical eye. Do you agree with what the author said? Is there a different point of view? Is there a different way of approaching it? If you can read with a critical eye, asking yourself those types of questions, you're going to be able to express that opinion when you're evaluating or analysing. And the final R is referencing. So referencing is making sure that you've included clear, identifiable in-text references to the sources that you have used to support your argument, or even sources that you disagree with, but being able to identify clearly in text and at the end of your assessment where the information has come from is a really good academic skill that's going to give clear strength to the answers you present. So when you're approaching Stage 2 study, remember the 3 R's of resources, reading and referencing.